Hey Savis, welcome to my channel. I hope you guys are enjoying the last weekend of 2020 and this haul is all about Nykaa. So I'm going to talk about the products I bought from them, each and every one of them in detail. So stay tuned guys, it is a 20-minute video. So here's a quick and a detailed view of the products I'm going to show you from this haul, and I'm going to talk about each and every product in detail. So stay tuned guys, this is going to be a long video. So hi guys, let's discuss each of the products, what are the uses, and why did I bought them, and what purpose I use, for what purpose I use. So let's start with Bobbi Brown, my favorite always. So minis are the things I don't have actually. Always when I travel, minis are very handy, but I don't happen to have mini size products that much. So in this haul we're gonna see a lot of mini products and lot of other variants as well. So the first one here is Bobbi Brown's a vitamin enriched face base. So this can be used as a primer and moisturizer as well. So I use this before putting my makeup, and as well as a moisturizer sometimes. So what does it do? It has an aqua formula in it, so it hydrates my skin, and it makes my skin smoother and hydrated. So this is the first product, and we have a sachet of this as well. So I got this one as free sachet. So this is the same package, vitamin enriched face base sachet. And next up is this moisturizer, Bobbi Brown's a moisturizer as well, but this one and this one is different. So this is different and this is different. It can be used as primer and moisturizer as well. So I use this as only moisturizer. So this is the. So next up we have Swiss Beauty's Aloe Vera Vitamin E makeup fixer. So when we wear makeup, makeup is one thing. Like after wearing makeup, if you go outdoors, the makeup doesn't stay for long. Why? Because the makeup doesn't stand out that much longer. So we use this makeup fixer. So makeup fixer is used for that purpose. So this is my favorite actually. I have a dry skin, so this aloe vera with vitamin E makeup fixer is so good for my skin, so I bought this. Next up is this Bobbi Brown's Luxe Lip Mini Duo. I love mini lipsticks. They're so handy, and you can even carry for your office for daily purposes. Yeah, nowadays we are not going to office, we are working at the comfort of our homes, but yeah, whenever we travel, these lipsticks are very handy. Sorry guys, I don't know what's with my voice today. So this is Bobbi Brown's Luxe Lip Color Mini Duo, and these are talking about these Bobbi Brown Luxe Lip Mini Duo. This is very travel friendly guys. These are the mini versions of two lipsticks which are in the shade Hibiscus and Parisian Red, my two favorite shades for go to. So yeah, this is in the shade Hibiscus. I already swatched here. See the formula, yeah guys, this is so good. I style this with my streetwear or any kind of red carpet kind of looks, sorry. So and this one is Parisian Red, and I style this with my traditional outfits. It is so good. If you are wearing a sari or a lehenga, this gives that extra chic look for that. And next up we have crushed liquid lip from Bobbi Brown as well. Yeah, this is my favorite. Actually, this gives you the no makeup kind of look. So if you're into no makeup kind of looks, so this is very good. I already swatched it here, so this is a little bit yeah, this is a little pinkish, so this is in this shade peach and white. So this is so good for your no makeup kind of looks. So if you're into it, this one is a go-to. And next up we have a shadow stick. I hate wearing an eyeshadow. I don't know why, but I hate wearing an eyeshadow. But if I do, that must be long wearable, and it must be very user friendly types. I don't like to, I mean, I don't know, actually I don't know properly how to blend my eyeshadow, so that's why I use this long wear cream shadow stick, which is in the tone golden pink, and this is so easily wearable, guys. You just have to, all you have to do is it's just like painting your eyes. So yeah, see the extra golden color it gives you the extra, what do you call that, the extra shine to your eyes. So if you're going for a wedding or some sangeet, or this is very wearable, and this lasts long, guys. I'm using this since 6 months. For any kind of events, I style this, so this is so good. And next up we have this oil infused lip gloss. I love lip glosses, so I bought a mini version of this, and this is in the shade Free Spirit. So changing, my skin is usually dry, but it becomes more drier when the seasons are changing. It becomes more dry when seasons are changing, especially from rainy seasons to winter season. I happen to have this issue. So I prefer this Clinique Moisture Surge. I even have a bigger version of this product, but for travel friendly, I bought this Clinique mini version. So what does this product do? It instantly hydrates your skin, guys. It is so super good. If you're having a dry flaky skin, this is a very good formula for your skin. You can just apply it overnight, I mean as a moisturizer, and sleep. So you can see the results within, I saw the results within 2 days. So this is quite a good product. And I do have a sachet of this as well. So next up is this LA Girl Pro Conceal. So I'm in the shade Pure Beige. So this is a concealer. This one. I use a concealer, and I use only this concealer. I prefer only this in the Pure Beige shade because it is so good. It gives you that ultra coverage. And what do we have? Yeah, we have Innisfree Special Care Mask. I didn't try this. I miss Salon and my manis and pedis so much, so I bought this. I just wanted to give it a try and see how it works, so I didn't try this yet, but yeah, for so soon I'm going to try this. And next up we have this Innisfree Special Care Mask Hand. I have tried this hand mask. This foot mask, I think you just what I learned is it's just like a sock, so you can wear it, and that's how you use this mask. And this one I used it. This is like a glow, so it gave the mani experience for me. After that, I moisturized with my moisturizer. So what does this have? Innisfree is a nice brand if you're looking for sheet masks or any organic products. So yeah, this is also from K Beauty, guys. K Beauty is quite a trend these days. And I do also have Tony Moly brightening sheet mask and lemon sheet mask. So next up we have this Tony Moly sheet mask. I am lemon. Why lemon? Because lemon is very good in vitamin C, and it is usually very good for your skin. And this Tony Moly mask, it says for brightening. I used Tony Moly sheet mask, collagen sheet mask as well for elasticity. That worked pretty well, so I bought this. And I have for my dry lips this one, lip mask, lip sheet mask. This is quite funny though. I tried it. So this is another product. And speaking of this one day what happened is I wore my lipstick. So after removing my makeup, I felt very dry lips, actually chapped lips you can say. My skin is not so good. So what did I do? I used this. I bought 2 of them. So I used this, and seriously guys, it worked pretty well. It gave the instant hydration to my lips, and yeah, in winters it is super good. And next up we have pack 231 brush. This is actually for I use it for my foundation and blush as well. I don't have a lot of brushes. I just have 2-3 versions of them. So I needed a blush. I needed a brush for my blush, so I got this. Also for my powder. Next, yeah, so the black kajal from Lakme. I also have a blue kajal from them that is super good. I am a very huge fan of Diana and her blue eyeliner, guys. Princess Diana is such a fashion icon. I just love how she completes every look with a dash of blue eyeliner. So I do have that one as well. So this is the black kajal. And next one is this OT Plus Professional Detan Pack. This is so good. If you're thinking to go salon free, this is the time, guys. So I mean, I'm not against going to salons, but most of the time these days we don't find or we don't feel safe to go salon that much. So I just wanted to bring a detan mask for me. So after going to Manwa, my skin got pretty tanned, especially on my nose and forehead, on my neck. So I bought this. What you just have to apply it on your face and leave it for 20 minutes. For all your salon free days, this is a very good buy, but this is worth it, guys. So what does this formulation do? Whenever I go to a salon, I use O3 facials, or I mean, I like O3 facials. They give that instant repair my skin is looking for. So I love this detan pack. So I have a very tan nose and forehead, so I got this, and after using it is so good. You can use it on hands as well. You just have to apply a dash of it on your hand as a mask all over your hands and legs, on face, neck. You can use it on your face and hands and legs as well. So this one, just leave it for 20 minutes and just see the results. This is so good. O3 is a very good product, guys. O3 has a very good products. I even like their eye cream. I'm thinking to buy that. Let's see. So next one, we have this box, my favorite box from Kama Ayurveda, guys. I have bought this box earlier. I like this box so much, so much, so that I had to buy it again. So what do we have in this? So we do have, so this package comes like this. This comes inside this, but I took it out as I'm using. So this is rose water. This, you can use it as a toner. After my shower, I apply it on my skin. I spray it on my skin. Even whenever I feel like my skin is dehydrated, I just open it and spray it a little bit on my skin. Mostly I don't wear makeup, so for those days, this one. And this one is a cleanser. This is actually good for removing your makeup. I usually remove my makeup with this and Vaseline as well, Vaseline petroleum gel. So this one just extra cleanses your skin, extra cleanses any product on your skin. So that one. Next up is this Kama Ayurveda Rejuvenating Ayurvedic Night Cream, guys. This has kesar in it. So it is so good for moisturizing in any dark spot or dark circles. Yeah, I do have a little bit of dark circles, so I bought this. And this is so good. I'm using it this since from 2 years now, and I love this product so much. So, and I love their organic stuff, guys. Kama Ayurveda has the best organic stuff. So hi guys, I almost forgot about telling about this. This is a very thoughtful and very useful free gift from along with all these products. So thank you Bobbi Brown for giving us such very thoughtful free gift. So what I use this for my cards and cash. So whenever I'm going for a grocery run, so I take this. So that's it for today guys. So today's video is all about this haul. I hope you guys like my video, and next up I'm going to tell about the new pizza place in the township. It is by my friend Neha, and it is she makes the best pizza, guys. I'm going to link that in this. I'm going to give you the details of that pizza in this. Also Savis, I'm going to give you the links of all these products in the description box of my video, so you can check out them there. You can buy these from Nykaa as well as Amazon as well, so whichever is convenient to you. So I'm going to drop the links over there, so do check it out guys. So yeah, I hope the next year would bring the joy and magic we are looking for. So meet you in 2021 guys. So till then, sayonara, happy holidays everyone, and an advance happy new year to everybody. So thanks for watching my video, and I'm telling it again. So if you guys like my video, please like, share and subscribe and show some love. Thank you for watching my video. Subscribe, and thank you guys for showing lots of love on my previous videos. I got a pretty good number of views and pretty good number of subscribers, so thank you to all of them. I am so grateful for your encouragement and support, so keep supporting me, as I am a beginner in this YouTube journey, and I would like to fulfill the dream I have towards this YouTube channel. So thanks for support. Without your support, this means nothing. And yeah, speaking of 2020, this has been a very hard year for everyone. I mean, it has some joys, let's say it has some ups and downs. So looking forward to a very brighter 2021. So, see you in my next video, which is in 2021 guys. I'm so actually excited to say that, because it is a new year. I'm going to do a quick and very intriguing concept in that video. I'm going to talk about very less in this video, because it is kind of a resolution of mine. Every year I write down my resolutions. I just follow one among them. I write many, but this year I'm thinking to take that resolution seriously, and I'm going to talk about that, and I'm going to show you how I already started following that. And so on that, pretty good job, this savvy woman, I would say. So let's catch you up in next year. Let's see you in next video guys. So thanks for watching my video. Also, I would like to tell you guys, this YouTube video filming is not an easy task. I'm not complaining, but I'm telling you that. So I take my videos very seriously, and I present my videos with sheer cognizance after doing tons and tons of research, especially when I'm doing this makeup kind of products things, because what you are saying this in these videos requires research, good amount of research. Without that research, if you just blindly tell, that means nothing. So lots of effort goes into this. So, and thanks for supporting me guys. I'm very grateful to you all. So that's it. I would like to say that's it. Thank you. So here are the details of this amazing yummiest pizza I have ever eaten in this township, and this is available only at this township, guys. So whoever are looking for their new year or festivity dinners, so this is a good one. Opt for it and show some love, guys. So thank you for supporting. I'm going to give you the details of this pizza place in the description box as well, so check that out, guys. So you can download these printable planners, daily planners and weekly planners, which I personally handmade for every one of you who are interested in planning your next year. So advance happy new year to everybody, and if you guys like my video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and see you in 2021 series.